Good morning, Gladiators. It's Monday, October 19th. We are starting the second grading period. So anything we do from now on will be in the second grading period folder. So you are going to start a new unit today over force and motion. So you will get a new IMB. You should have already submitted your chemistry IMB. So now you're going to open up a new IMB. So you will open on the first page where it says materials. You go down to science IMB and open up the force and motion IMB. We are going to be using that today. Now let's look at our week at a glance for this week. So if we scroll down, we're going to go into the second grading period, week 1. For our week at a glance, we're starting this unit with a review from 6th grade. So in 6th grade, you learned about force, you learned about motion, speed calculations. We're going to do a snapshot review of that. So our focus today will be on motion graphs. We're going to review the notes, and then you'll do some questions. Tomorrow, we're going to continue with motion graphs and relate stories to those. So you'll be writing a story to match a graph. On Wednesday, we're going to continue with the review, going over the types of forces, contact forces versus non-contact forces, and how to find net force. We'll practice net force and differentiating between a balanced force and an unbalanced force on Thursday. Friday, you'll have a discussion post, and then you'll have a simulation for forces. Remember, for our academic coaching, Tuesday morning is mine and Thursday afternoon, but you can join any of these academic coaching sessions. So in our folder today, we're going to start with our IMB. So make sure you have opened your IMB. On slide 8, there are a set of notes over interpreting motion graphs. You need to read through those notes. Once you've read through those notes, review the diagram, and then you're going to complete the motion graphs check for understanding. Now, once you open this, it's a single slide. You're going to review on the slide, answer the question below. Second slide, review, answer the question below. When you have finished that, we're going to go back into our Monday folder, and you have an assignment. So you have your motion graph analysis. It's really simple. All you're going to do is match a description to the graph. So you're going to see several graphs, and you see the descriptions. For graph A, whichever description matches, you're going to write the number, and then tell me why you chose that. And then you'll submit this once it is complete. So the motion graph check for understanding, I'm going to be putting comments back on, and the motion graph analysis I'll be grading. Next week, we will continue with force and motion. If you need to retest from the chemistry end of unit test, that will be this week during academic coaching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Remember to send me a message. Have a great day, Gladiators.